Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zulubar ice cream at home. First, gather all your ingredients, such as heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and of course, Zulubar chocolate. Next, prepare your ice cream maker by ensuring it is clean and its bowl is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 24 hours. Precise measurements are key for achieving that perfect, creamy texture and rich flavor, so pay close attention to each step. Now, let's craft the delicious Zulubar base. Begin by gently melting about 100 grams of your favorite Zulubar chocolate with a couple of tablespoons of heavy cream over low heat, stirring until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until the sugar fully dissolves. Finally, slowly incorporate the melted chocolate mixture into your cream and milk base, ensuring it's well combined. With your base ready, it's time for the magic of churning. Pour the thoroughly chilled Zulubar ice cream base into your pre-chilled ice cream maker. Let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the mixture thickens to a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. This process incorporates air, making it wonderfully light and creamy. Once churned, immediately transfer this soft ice cream into an airtight container. The final step is freezing to achieve that perfect scoopable texture. Place your airtight container of Zulubar ice cream into the freezer for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until it becomes firm. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Now, you can enjoy your incredibly rich, homemade Zulubar ice cream. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.